Hey everyone! Do you know without finance, people would not be able to buy properties or homes, and businesses would not be able to develop and grow as they do now? Therefore, finance makes it possible to allocate capital resources in a more effective manner. So, this ultimate need of management of finance has led us to introduce a brand new Simplilearn SkillUp course on basics of finance. This SkillUp course is entitled to upskill your knowledge in understanding and management of finance in the most feasible way possible. Now, you must be wondering what is this SkillUp course about. So, let me give you a quick glimpse of what you are going to explore in this course. This course will first help you with how to make decisions and polish your decision-making skills, followed by foundational investments of your finance. Then it will help you understand and build your management skills and will teach you how to do finance math to use your finance in the most effective way. And in the end, you will learn solution skills to get a final view of your investments. Now here comes the best part of the SkillUp course. Let me tell you that this course has no prerequisites. The modules in this course offers all the relevant material for beginners. This course comprises 6 hours of self-paced video lessons created by mentors with vast experience in the field. They are aware of the needs of different learners and have designed the course to be easy to learn. Apart from this, the SkillUp course will give you free access to its self-paced lessons for 90 days. This means you can access its lessons anytime you want. And in the end of the course, you will be rewarded a certificate on the completion. All you need to do is log into Simplilearn.com and register for the Getting Started with Basics of Finance SkillUp course. And there you go. Now you have all the knowledge of finance and investments revolving around you. Get certified with Simplilearn today and boost your knowledge.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.